Imagine cruising through the streets in a car that looks like a luxury beast, but is secretly a fortress on wheels. Bulletproof, explosion-resistant, and packed with high-tech security features. These are the ultimate impenetrable cars built for the elite, world leaders, and billionaires who take security as seriously as speed. In this video, we reveal 20 of the most indestructible supercars and SUVs designed to keep you safe in any crisis. Whether it's surviving a high-speed chase, a violent attack, or even a full-scale war zone, these machines are built to protect. So, buckle up as we explore these mind-blowing vehicles that combine power, luxury, and unstoppable defense. 1. Mercedes-Benz S-Class Guard, the luxury tank. This isn't just a luxury sedan, it's a rolling panic room. With VR10 level ballistic protection, reinforced steel, and bomb-resistant floors, the S-Class Guard can withstand assault rifles, explosives, and even grenades while keeping you cocooned in comfort. 2. BMW 7 Series High Security. The mafia's choice. Ever wondered what heads of state and high-profile CEOs drive? This armored BMW can take direct hits from AK-47s and hand grenades while offering state-of-the-art safety features like an oxygen supply system and self-sealing fuel tank. 3. Audi A8L Security. Stealth mode engaged. This sleek-looking beast is designed for covert security. Its hardened armor can absorb rounds from a sniper rifle, while an emergency escape hatch ensures you're never trapped. 4. Cadillac Escalade ESV. Armored Presidential Protection. The Secret Service loves this one. The armored Escalade is a fortress disguised as an SUV, featuring bulletproof glass, reinforced doors, and an engine that keeps running even if tires are shot out. 5. Range Rover Sentinel, the king of armored SUVs built by Land Rover's Special Vehicle Operations. The Sentinel is explosion-proof and can withstand armor-piercing bullets. Plus, it still drives like a dream. 6. Tesla Model S Plaid, Bulletproof Edition. Speed meets security in this armored Tesla, modified to resist gunfire while keeping its jaw-dropping 1,020 horsepower and lightning-fast acceleration. 7. Toyota Land Cruiser 300, the Warzone SUV. The Toyota Land Cruiser is already legendary, but its armored edition takes things to another level. It's the go-to choice for security forces in high-risk areas. Chevrolet Suburban HD, the FBI's favorite ride. This SUV is custom-built for government agencies. Reinforced with ballistic steel, run-flat tires, and an EMP-resistant electrical system, it's perfect for escaping hostile situations. 9. Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG Armored, the indestructible G-Wagon. The G-Wagon is a status symbol, but its armored version is a moving vault. With a VR9 ballistic protection rating, it can take a direct RPG hit and keep rolling. 10. Porsche Cayenne Turbo S Armored, speed and safety combined. A bulletproof Porsche? Yes, please. This luxury SUV can take machine gun fire while still hitting speeds of over 170 mph. 11. Bentley Bentayga Ballistic, the billionaire's escape car. Ever wondered how billionaires escape danger? The armored Bentayga keeps you safe without sacrificing elegance. 12. Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge, fortified perfection. A bulletproof Rolls-Royce? Now, that's the definition of VIP protection. With ballistic armor and reinforced tires, the Cullinan is a tank in a tuxedo. 13. Lexus LX 600 Armored, silent but deadly. The Lexus LX 600 is a low-profile security vehicle that's perfect for stealth protection, combining military-grade armor with a quiet, smooth ride. 14. Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk, the sleeper beast. The Trackhawk already has 707 horsepower, but with ballistic protection, it becomes an unassuming powerhouse that can plow through ambushes and roadblocks. 15. Ford F-150 Raptor Armored, the apocalypse truck. An armored Ford Raptor is what you want when the world turns chaotic. Built for off-road escape missions, it can survive gunfire and explosions. 16. GMC Yukon Denali, XL Armored, luxury meets survival. With military-grade armor, this SUV can drive through conflict zones without breaking a sweat. 17. Nissan Patrol Armored Edition, the ultimate getaway vehicle. Widely used in danger zones, the Nissan Patrol is highly customizable, offering bulletproof glass and explosion resistance. 18. International MXT, the military's personal SUV. This monstrous truck looks like it belongs in a zombie apocalypse movie. Used by military and SWAT teams, it's built to withstand almost anything. 19. Toyota Sequoia Armored, the family fortress. Who says security can't be family-friendly? This armored SUV offers room for the whole crew while keeping them safe from ballistic threats. 20. The Knight 15E, the real-life Batmobile. If Batman had a personal armored car, it would be the Knight 15. This handmade monster is built for VIP protection, featuring full ballistic armor, a night vision system, and a V10 engine for quick getaways. Final thoughts? Are you ready for an impenetrable supercar? These 20 impenetrable vehicles prove that luxury, speed, and security can go hand in hand. Whether it's a presidential-grade armored sedan or a military-grade monster truck, these machines are designed to keep you safe no matter what the world throws at you. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more supercar content.